That is pucker. Vinny, come here. Oh, right. Yeah, that's amazing, that massive Hoover. I wonder if it's probably cheaper than a Dyson anyway. What a great idea though.